Here I'm going to show you the process I would use to copy a recipe. So I've put a light line halfway through both my model recipe and my picture on there, and I'm starting placing all the elements in pencil. You want to start with a light line here so you can see it on the video. I'm probably working a little bit darker than I would normally do. So you want to place all the main elements of text, the characters, and try to figure out how they are in relation to each other, so you've got the proportions right. For the characters, I'm starting with the main shapes, like a big oval type shape for the head, and then adding the direction of the ears, and then drawing the facial features on top on there, and adding the detail last of all. So try to block out those main shapes, then add your detail. Okay, once you've got all your features in place, you're going to go over the outline with a black pen to give that illustration style on there. So you want to correct anything that might not be quite accurate or that might not be as good as you would like it here as you go along. Make sure your writing is nice, clear and readable on there, and just add all the detail. On here I've got some little areas inside of the mouth in places that is coloured solid black as well, so I'm doing that while I am tracing my outlines. Once I've finished the outlines, I'm going to rub out my pencil underneath so we can't see that anymore, and I'm going to colour my painting on here. So here I want to remember to really observe my model and use the technique as appropriate. So the plain colours, where you want to wait that they dry in between, and where you're blending the colors, also really important. So on here on the rabbits, I'm going to work wet on wet, so the pink can blend in nicely with the grey on there, and I can have the darker areas. So I'm using blending and gradients in a lot of those to just copy as closely as I can on there, and just keeping working all over the sheet on there so I can have detail as I'm going along. The last thing I'm going to want to be doing is working on the background, adding a light wash and a little bit of splattering on there, and that's it.